Welcome to the channel, guys. So today we're at Lumb Falls. I've got the subscribe coin anyway, as you can tell. If you watch till the end of the video, I'll place it somewhere. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully there's not many people down here, hopefully. I've never been here before, Lumb Falls, or Powerful, so we'll see what it's like. There is a few people here, I wouldn't have thought, because it is Friday, but it's been warm as well, so people will be going here swimming probably. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a bit, guys. So as you can tell, we've got that waterfall there. It's a little waterfall, which takes you to a big waterfall, but there is a lot of families here, so I'm waiting till it gets a bit quieter before I show you at the bottom there. Makes it a bit awkward when there's people here. Right, so we're just having a walk down here, and as you can tell, we've got the waterfall there. We're going to walk up there a bit, guys. Nice bridge under there and things. We'll come back here when it's a bit quieter in a bit. It's just private land, isn't it? You can't go on there. Alright, we can't go up there then. Oh, could have. Oh. Right, it says keep to a footpath, so there is a footpath. We'll go sit up here a bit. We'll have a little look see at this bit here. Oh. So yeah, it's hard work when you've got people about, because you can't just record and things. So yeah, we've got the stream coming in, and it takes you under the bridge down there, as you can tell. So for now, we'll have a little walk up this path and see where it leads us, because there's too many people here, that's all. I mean, you have got all the river down there and things. Never been here, but there's too many people in the main centre bit. So we'll wait till later. You have got another waterfall there. Coming down, the river goes right down there. I'll have a little walk up this bit. I don't think it'll take you anywhere, but there is an abandoned house up this area. So yeah, we'll walk up this footpath, because I think at the top of here there's a derelict house just up there. So we'll have a little look-see just there. So we've got some old ruins coming up, just up here. And that's that abandoned house up there. I think there is another one down there. That's actually a derelict ruin of an abandoned house. I don't know if I can climb up, get up there. It's too high. This were a right thing. Just to keep out, but we'll have a little nosy. Doesn't say about getting close to it, it just says keep out. I understand though, it's to save, to make sure people are alright and things. But yeah, we've got another abandoned farmhouse up there. Great beautiful view over there. From Miles C. And this is an old ruin, of course, you know, of building. Look at that view. That is immaculate. Goes on for miles down there. Could do a rake camp down there. And we have got another abandoned house up there, but it's a bit of a trek up that hill. Maybe if I drive round that way on the way back, I might be able to drive up on that road. We will see. Looks beautiful. Quite a few waterfalls. So let us know what you think of Waterfall. Right in comments. It's a warm day today though. Very hot. I'm going to go back and have a coffee in the car, I think, before I set off. I'm parked on the way by, so I'll have a quick coffee. Yeah, I'm not going to leave subscriber coin here. I'll find a place on way up to car for that, because there's too many people and they'll see me leave it here and then they'll grab it. So I'll find a place up way at car, guys. Got a little signpost there, if anyone wants to read it. So here we've got under bridge there. It's getting quieter now. I'm just letting them people go up the other bit, then I'll get off. That's the bridge under it. Right guys, so I'm just leaving now and there's a big tree here just as you're leaving it. I'm gonna leave the subscriber coin by the tree. So if you're in this area, Lumb, near our for Oxenhope, you can grab your coin. So what I'm gonna do, there's a big rock here on an angle. There's some big square rocks and there's one here on an angle. And then there's a stone just underneath a big rock on an angle. I'm going to leave it just there, just by that rock, and put that little rock by it so no one sees it. So it's just under them 3 rocks, guys. So you know what to do, go get your subscriber coin. And if you liked that video, please get a thumbs up, please get a like, and hit that subscribe button, notified to all for us. Thanks a lot guys, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.